Hey, back. I was getting my kit together for looking for herbs and the spring herbs, root vegetables from wild root vegetables and stuff. And I thought I would do a video on what I like to carry. I will tell you what you need and what you don't need. What I carry, everything I carry, you won't need. Okay, and you do not have to have the same that I have. Okay. Basically, for convenience, I carry a roly-poly, and I can thread it through my belt. I put these MOLLE attachments on it. Basically, this little thing opens up, you've seen this before, to a dump pouch that I can tie around my leg and close, and that's, quick on the go. I can wash it. It's got a drain hole. It's just what I like to carry in on some things. As far as tools you need, these things are great. Basically, you unscrew this, fold this open, tighten it back. Now this one's military grade. It's a little digging tool, pickaxe. It's an old military issue. I don't know the name of it. Don't even really know much about it. But it works, and it works good, so I use it. My father gave it to me, but I know for a fact it was old military issue. So if you have the space and the will, carry one like this. I got to clean this one up actually. Now, this is my Go Herbology gathering kit. It's an old Surveyor. I forget what they call them. It's an old Surveyor belt rig that I've repurposed. It's made by Soka, if you like that. Product number 8181-16. It's just an old thing for surveying, learn surveying. And in this this pouch right here, I have some bank line in case I want to tie some stuff, tie a trail, tie some stuff to me. A couple of pencils, Amora 2, number 2, just because I need to cut something. It is carbon steel. Folded up paper grocery bag. And this right here, a friend of mine made, and I guess he made it. He's a machinist, but it's like it steps down. It's like I use it for diggers, what I've always used it for. But like it has graduation marks down. And I just stick it in the side in case I need to dig a root up. It's there. And a Rod in the Rain notepad with a pencil in here and the Rod in the Rain notebook. Now, what do you need? You need something to pry with, if you want the roots. You can use your knife if that's what you have. You can use a little shovel. You can use a stick. So, you can use a stick to get to them, which is what most people use. You can use your hands. But if you need to dig and you don't have a prier, then you can use a stick to pry with. Paper bag to put them in. You don't want to use plastic. You want to use paper. That's about it. And know what your herbs are. Okay. Make sure you have a good, trustworthy field guide if you don't know your herbs or how to identify them. But other than that, that's basically all you need. Do you need the roly-poly? No. Do you need the same thing I use? No. But I use it because I do look for herbs a lot, and it just comes in handy. Your kit tailors you. You don't tailor your kit. And like I said, all you really need is a stick and a paper bag or something to put them in a basket, shirt, whatever. Make do. But that's just what I use. I hope it gives you ideals. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. message me. I'm going to do a video on what I consider great herbal books, and I'm going to start doing some library-ish. In other words, like go to your library if you don't, if you can't find them, and what to read, what I recommend you read, and go from there. So, love you.